Discover Aster Alteration, located at 314 Sutton New Road, Erdington, Birmingham. Our shop is renowned for providing top-notch clothing alterations, backed by countless glowing reviews from satisfied customers. At Aster Alteration, our highly skilled tailor brings years of expertise to every piece, ensuring perfect fits and meticulous attention to detail. Whether it's hemming, resizing, or custom tailoring, we handle all your alteration needs with precision and care. Our dedication to quality and customer satisfaction has earned us numerous 5-star reviews on Google. Customers rave about our exceptional service and the stunning results we deliver. Visit Aster Alteration and experience the difference that expert tailoring can make. Call us at 07380595483 and let us transform your clothes into perfectly fitted masterpieces.